Tagalogin ko na lang yung sagot ha. Actually, nagtataka ako sa narrative nila. There was one time, meron akong narinig na interview sa isang tao na nagsabi siya na how can you support the Vice President when she refuses to answer the question about confidential funds. But if you can remember, umattend ako sa hearing ng House of Representatives. Una, umattend ako. I refused to take an oath because wala naman sa rules nila. But wala silang tinanong sa akin, kung maalala nyo, i-review ninyo yung hearing. Not one question was asked of me. And then the next time na umattend ako para samahan yung mga personnel ng OVP na sumasagot naman, nasasagot din naman nila yung mga tanong. Tapos when I requested that I assist the personnel of the OVP, sabi nila hindi pwede pag hindi ka mag-oath, diba? So sabi ko, okay, let's do this, I'll take an oath. They never asked one question. So I do not understand saan nanggagaling yung sinasabi nila that I refuse to answer, because nandoon yung mga personnel ng OVP, lahat ng tinawag nila nandoon. In fact, kinulong pa nga nila si Yusek Laika Lopez. Nandoon ako. I protested sa kanilang anong tawag dyan? Sa kanilang rules na ang pinapagawa nila sa akin ay wala sa rules nila. And then the next time around, even if may protest ako sa rules nila, I said, okay, sige, if you want an oath, I'll give you an oath. But did they ask a single question? Wala silang tinanong sa akin. I-review nyo yun. Wala. So, hindi sa ayaw ko sumagot. Wala silang tanong during the hearings. And they met a dead end doon sa hearings nila na nag-decide na lang sila, okay, i-impeach na lang natin ito siya without any evidence at all of wrongdoing, because nasa Commission on Audit ang lahat ng papers ng confidential funds. So, it's not true na ayaw ko sumagot. Wala silang tanong.
So, impeachment na lang.
Kaya nga, diba? Kaya nga sinasabi nila, mag-impeachment na lang tayo para masagot niya. And that is wrong. Diba? Bakit ka naman mag-impeachment just to fish for wrongdoing? In fact, meron pa silang ginagawa ngayon kasi they counter the dead end doon sa committee hearings nila sa Congress. Meron silang binuksan na inquiry na naman ngayon na pinapatawag nila, hindi ang House of Representatives, ibang government agency na gusto nila kausapin ang personnel ng Office of the Vice President. Na sabi ko, once you send that letter of invitation, we will say no. Because number one, that fund is not the fund of your agency, it's the fund of the Office of the Vice President, and all the documents were submitted to the Commission on Audit, who is the correct agency to question the use of funds of all government offices.
Okay na ta? So,
hindi na sila mahuman because this is about the 2028 election. It's not about ICC, it's not about the impeachment, it's not about confidential funds, it's about the 2028 elections. The impeachment is a glorified disqualification case against me. Kasi hindi rin naman nila ako tinanong, tatakbo ka ba talaga ng president o hindi? Kasi hindi rin naman ako makasagot. Ano pa naman ako makakasagot? December of 2026. So by that time, siguro naisip nila, too late na yan, hindi na namin kakayanin na manalo or ano, hindi ko alam kung anong iniisip nila. I really do not know. These individuals are desperate. Desperate for, as I said, cash, cocaine, and champagne.